Today I'm going to be reviewing a product called ProStudiOFX. Now this product is a brand new all-in-one comprehensive digital marketing media creation bundle. Now today, media creation is one of the most sought after skills there is on the internet. And this product, the ProStudiOFX, will provide you with marketing visuals and also sound effects bundles which come loaded with all the feature-rich contents that you need to make yourself a very skilled media creator. And these are products with these contents are not available in any other similar product that's on the market today. This thing is loaded with different types of content that you can use in creating media. Once again, the product is called ProStudiOFX. You can gain an unfair advantage over your competitors with professionally created pro marketing visuals and sound FX. So here is what this product can do for you. First of all, it is newbie friendly. There's no design skill or any type of technical knowledge required to do this. All you got to do is use your creativity to create beautiful media pieces. You can render and publish your videos without paying any type of rendering fees. Everything is free once you buy the software. There is a ready-to-use massive, and I do mean massive, I will show it to you, template collection. With the launch, you get a free commercial license which is included in the product. This commercial license can be used to create these media products and sell them to your clients. And you can charge a very hefty fee for doing that. They're scalable designs with unlimited niches because you can combine so many of these different variables to create totally unique designs. It comes with step-by-step training tutorials, so you're not going to have to be left out in the dark. You will know everything you need to do to become an expert. You'll be able to create gorgeous marketing videos and graphics in 3 simple steps. That's it. And this product is only a one-time payment. This is not a monthly recurring charge like so many of these other products are. And you can create professional visual assets in 3 simple steps. Step number 1, pick a template to use for your client's project, and there are loads of templates. Step number 2 is edit the content as you want, and you can use these different details to make this thing as unique as you want. Have it be just yours. Nobody will be able to copy what you do because it will be 100% unique to you. And step number 3 is to just publish your material. Now with Video Studio Pro X, it will give you endless possibilities with these options. You've got so many options with these templates. Check out some of the templates. So for example, you can create posters. Here are what some of the poster creations can look like. You can see how unique these are. You can do anything you want with this software to make your stuff as unique as you want it. You can create banners. These are all templates that come with it. All you have to do is drag and drop and change things around. You can do Instagram posts. You can have vertical banners if you want to do banner advertising. You have Instagram story ads. You can also, there's some more coming up. You have Facebook covers. All this stuff is unique. The templates are all here, and they're all 100% customizable. You can do Facebook ads. And these are not your father's Facebook ad templates. These things are really eye-catching, is what you want. You have web banners if you want to do any type of display banner advertising. Now you have logo intros. This is really important if you do videos. You can brand yourself with your own logo intro. And with this software, it's a snap to create. You can create complete presentations if you want to using this. You can create Facebook covers videos. Here's some more Instagram stories. You can do all sorts of promotions. And you can do outros, which are the end part of your video. And again, you can brand these with your logo or with your brand any way you want to. Now, how about musical sounds? These are all visual. You want musical sounds? You've got 15 long music tracks. You've got 44 musical moods. You've got genres, you've got bumpers and stingers, you've got 68 musical instruments, and you have 254 plus sound effects. Now, what is all this going to cost you? All this, all the templates, all the music, what is that going to cost you? Well, ProStudio FX, this is the ultimate bundle. This is what you get front end. You get 100 pro marketing templates. You get 500 plus studio produced sounds. You get 25 animated motion backgrounds, and animated motion backgrounds are really eye-catching today. You get Audacity training. All this for a one-time price of $19.95. Under 20 bucks, less than the price of eating out at a cheap restaurant, and you can have this software. Now, the software comes with 2 upsells, and these are also really steals. The first one is the ProStudio FX Golden Template Club. You get 130 plus pro marketing templates in addition to what it comes with, plus you get 4 new templates every single month. And that is a one-time price of $47. That's it. Plus you get a developer license included for the use of these templates. So again, these templates, once you buy them, you can use them and you can sell them off to clientele. You can build a side business. And then, I love this one. This is the ProStudio FX Animated Explainer Video Masterclass. Now today, animated explainer videos are really hot. And they're hot because they accomplish 2 things. As an explainer video, they're educational. They teach your visitor something that he wants to know. But as animated, they're also entertaining. And if you've got both educational and entertaining in one video, your visitor is going to sit there and watch your whole video. You're not going to lose that visitor. That is all of a price of $37. That's it, one-time payment, and you get that second upsell. Now, in addition, I've also got my own exclusive bonuses. These are bonuses which you can get if you purchase through my link, and these bonuses are exclusive to me. You won't find them anywhere else. So bonus number 1 is the Google Display Ads tutorial. Now, if you're going to use this product to help you build Google Ads or display ads that you can use on Google, you might as well know how to do them properly and effectively, especially if you want to sell a service to your client. Because then not only can you sell the creative to your client, you can also handle their ad account if you'd like, or you could just tell them how, for a different fee, how they can set up their Google Ads properly so that they are compliant, they don't run afoul of any Google rules, and they don't get banned. Bonus number 2 is tips to create an ebook cover that sells. Now, once again, you can use this software to create covers. But if you want to create a cover for a client, you want that cover to be effective and to sell product for the client. This tutorial will give you 8 tips on how to create ebook covers that sell. And then, bonus number 3 is the Facebook ads tutorial. This is Facebook ads for 2019. Now again, Facebook ads are extremely effective because Facebook has over 1 billion users. However, your Facebook ads must be compliant. Facebook is very, very quick to ban people from ads if they're not 100% compliant and they're not done the way Facebook wants them done. This tutorial will take you from A to Z and help you become an expert in Facebook ads, especially Facebook ads that won't get you banned. And we have some vendor launch bonuses. These are available only during the launch. Bonus number 1 is 1,000 plus icon collections, flat icons. So you basically have an icon for any possible need that you could have without having to go look all over the internet to find the button or the icon that you want. Bonus number 2 is 1,000 plus stylish call to action buttons. Now, call to action buttons can be very important. You can test call to action buttons for all kinds of things. The copy on them, the color, the font size. Well, with this bonus, you now have all the call to action buttons you could possibly want. And once again, they're right at your fingertips. And then finally, you've got a quick shortcuts PDF on how to use this product. This will tell you how to get through the product quickly, efficiently, and most of all, effectively. So if you'd like to get your very own copy of ProStudioFX and all my exclusive bonuses, you can click on any of these buttons, and I will also have a link in the description below this video. So once again, if you'd like to get ProStudioFX and my exclusive bonuses, click on any of these links or click on the link in the description below this video.